Proclamation number 20-14 in celebration of the Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week. Bear with. Gullah Geechee people are descendants of enslaved Africans from various ethnic groups in West and Central Africa, brought to the U.S. and forced to work on the plantations of coastal South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, and Florida. Proclamation 20-14 recognizes and celebrates the importance of Gullah Geechee culture, as well as the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee culture of Georgetown County. And the proclamation reads, whereas this is celebrating Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week. Whereas in the 18th century, Georgetown County, the third oldest county in South Carolina, became the locale of some of the richest plantations in the South. And whereas prosperity for plantation owners was a result of multiple West African ethnic groups brought to the United States and enslaved for the purpose of cultivating cash crops on the southern plantations of coastal South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, and Florida. And whereas this was the beginning of an intermingling of a variety of many backgrounds as well as different dialects, the people began developing their unique culture, language, traditions, cuisine, music, and more derived from their African roots. Whereas the Gullah Geechee are descendants of those enslaved Africans and one of the oldest cultural groups still thriving as our Southern culture, though developed through the adversity of slavery. This resilient group of people who worked through and overcame hardship is worthy of celebrating, and whereas increased recognition of the cultural legacy of the Gullah Geechee can be attributed to individuals such as Queen Quet, founder of a premier advocacy organization whose mission is for the continuation of the Gullah Geechee culture. She has committed 20 years towards advocacy, including her work with Congressman James Clyburn towards the United States Congress establishing the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor. And whereas celebrating and sharing the rich heritage and preserving the Gullah Geechee culture is an important part of ensuring its survival for future generations, now therefore be it proclaimed, the Georgetown Council does hereby join in the celebration of 2020 Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, which will be launched on July 26, 2020, and encourages the citizens of Georgetown County to participate in activities to increase knowledge, appreciation, and preservation of this rich culture. So shall it be this 23rd day of June 2020. So it is recommended that Georgetown County Council adopt this proclamation. Is there a motion?
Mr. Chairman, I move for the adoption of Proclamation number 20-14.
Motion by Ms. Johnson. Is there a second?
Second.
Second by Mr. Carolina. All in favor? The proclamation is adopted. I understand we have some comments from Queen Quet.
Children that do that at Georgetown and things like that, how it going down. You ain't let the queen come back. What kind of thing this year? I understand Rona, the day everywhere and things like that, and we ain't want nobody to get sick and things like that. So it can't be there with 100 children this year time. But I'm so glad I had more than 20 years when I been a kind of head down the road from Satelna where I did that now to 100 children right on in Georgetown. So I'm so glad that for this year, Gullah Geechee 2020, seeing we culture more clearly, that 100 children done to give this proclamation to we. And that 100 show, so right there in Georgetown County, South Kakalaki, you're still all about the Gullah Geechee Nation appreciation. So I want to say thank you to all the 100 children who did it in Georgetown and things like that. And pray to 100 family and the whole council and everybody, what did it, all her staff and everything, the praise you healthy, you safe, and you still bless up and things like that. After all of this year, I still coming back up the creek yonder, and we going to shout together, y'all. Thank you for all these 20 years for 100 to celebrate with we, who we be, and we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Peace and blessings.
Our thanks to Queen Quet for being with us here today virtually. Next, we move to resolution number 20-15 to reinforce diversity, support racial equality, and affirm that Black Lives Matter. The resolution reads as follows. Georgetown County Council Resolution number 20-15, a resolution to reinforce diversity, support racial equality, and affirm that Black Lives Matter. Whereas Georgetown County, a local government and body politic, is not shielded from the most recent national events resulting from the deaths of Black Americans and cannot remain silent. And whereas throughout our nation's history, institutional and structural racism have caused injustices that deepen racial disparities across all sectors of society and have lasting negative consequences for our county, state, and nation. And whereas our nation's Declaration of Independence, ratified on July 4th, 1776, declared that, quote, that all men are created equal and they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And whereas while Georgetown County Council cannot alter the historical and factual context of racism and bigotry in the United States, this council can and does unequivocally declare it will not condone racial inequalities within the United States. And whereas Black Lives Matter protests have swept the nation as demonstrators demand justice in response to the killings of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, and far too many other Black Americans. And whereas the Black Lives Matter movement, like the civil rights movement before it, has effectively articulated the injustices that exist in the intersections of race, class, and gender, including incarceration, police brutality, poverty, unaffordable housing, income disparity, gender inequality, poor access to health care and educational outcomes. And whereas in early June 2020, nearly 1,000 community members peacefully marched through the city of Georgetown, the town of Andrews, and Pawleys Island in protest of these acts, and whereas equal justice under the law is a phrase engraved on a pediment in front of the United States Supreme Court, and Georgetown County Council believes all officials should work towards making this a reality. And whereas it is the intent of Georgetown County Council to foster meaningful relationships and establish conversations with its citizens inclusive of all races and ethnicities. And whereas the Georgetown County Council recognizes a compassionate regard for Black lives as a vital first step, one of many, that must be taken within this organization in order to build bridges, acknowledge and better understand cultural differences across Georgetown County. And whereas this county fully commits to promote a culture of trust among county government, county law enforcement, county advocacy and special interest groups, and the citizens of Georgetown County, and now therefore be it resolved that the Georgetown County Council condemns any and all acts of racism and discrimination. And be it further resolved that Georgetown County Council commits itself not only to address the symbols of institutional racism, but also to proactively identify and address biases, practices, policies, and institutional barriers that perpetuate injustice and inequality in our community. And be it finally resolved that the Georgetown County Council aims to make Georgetown County an even more welcoming, inclusive, and safe community for all, with equity and equal access for opportunity, regardless of race or ethnicity. So shall it be proclaimed this 23rd day of June, 2020. Recommendation is to adopt this proclamation. Is there a motion?
Mr. Chairman, I make a A motion for the adoption of Proclamation 2015.
Motion by Mr. Carolina,
Second, Mr. Chair.
second by Mr. Charlton. Any discussion? Do you want to say something now or later?
Later.
Later, okay. All in favor? Any opposed? Resolution 20-15 is hereby adopted.